Hi, my name is Susian and I'm the head baker at the Kefir King. And today we'll be talking about the second step of the sourdough baking process, and that is how to mix up your dough. So we update regularly about kefir and sourdough content, so if you want to see more of those, please subscribe. Okay, so the mixing process is actually quite straightforward, I'd say. So you have your ingredients, and it's just your sourdough starter, some water, some flour, and salt. So the recipe that we're going to be using is basically a 70% hydration recipe. And all that means is that the ratio of water to flour is 70%. So all you have to do is this. Take a big bowl and then just scoop in the amount of starter that you need, and for our recipe it's going to be about 30 grams. So scoop it in, and then after that pour in the amount of water, which is about 230 grams. Then stir the water and starter mixture until the starter has sort of loosened from the bottom of the bowl. Yeah. And then after that, take your flour, dump it in carefully, and your salt, also dump it in carefully. And all you have to do is take a spoon, like a spatula or a big spoon basically, just sort of mix it around until all the flour and water has become incorporated nicely and there are no dry bits of flour left. So it's very important that there are no dry bits of flour, because this is a rather wet recipe. It's wetter than yeasted breads usually. So you need to make sure that there are no dry bits, otherwise in the later stages you can feel like that a little bit of clumpiness over there. So and after you're satisfied with your dough mixture, it's going to be looking a little bit shaggy, a little bit rough, not like the smooth dough you're going to be expecting. But it's alright. After your dough has no more dry bits left, you're gonna take the entire bowl and just cover it up with a piece of plastic or a shower cap if you have one, or if not, then just a towel will do, and leave it for about half an hour for the dough to relax, and you can move on to the next stage. So just click the link for the next step, and thanks for watching. So if you're Malaysian and you'd like to give our bread a try, you can find us in the link in the description below. We actually deliver our bread to around the Klang Valley, and we also post to the states in West Malaysia. So yeah, give it a try, and we'll see you in the next video.